Hey guys, Andrew here. As you can see right now, I'm in Perplexity. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use a voice in Perplexity. So once you're in Perplexity, guys, if you look to the lower right-hand side here, you can see the voice icon. And if you want to speak to Perplexity, you can do it. So I'm going to tap on it and I'm going to say, for example, what is ChatGPT or something like that. So let's do it. We're going to allow it, of course. As you can see, it's asking to allow to record. So I'm going to do that. What is ChatGPT? Then I'm going to hit that. As you can see right away, it's giving me the results. And that's it. Once you're satisfied, you can always go ahead and, close out or take the information if you want to continue. Tell me more about ChatGPT. You can see it's recording there. See, it's thinking. Very cool, right? And so this is how you can easily use the voice to talk to ChatGPT. And this is how you can use your voice to talk to Perplexity. Very easy and very simple.